Okay. Hi guys, this is Eno and Kiva playing outside. Yeah, this
Hey,
is.
wait, give me part of my car.
Okay. This is Kiva and his little toy car. Okay.
Okay, let's go down the hill. Maybe I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna beat Anna now.
Yeah, Kiva's gonna try to beat Sai down the hill. Let's watch.
Watch this. Cut my foot.
Get ready. On your mark, get set, go! Sai totally won that. Looks like Kiva fell. Kiva, are you okay? Here.
God, be a friend. My car won.
No, Sai won.